May for the division this October. There were 45 schools, and this is the press conference. We call it press con, which was held in Santa Barbara last September 13 and 14. And there were 45 schools, both private and elementary. And there were 45 contestants. And I am very proud to present to you our hero. Roger Angelo Villangca got the second place out of 45 schools, out of 45 contestants, editorial writing in Filipino. Congratulations, Roger Villangca, and may I congratulate also the parents. Okay, so may we have also the honor to lay this medal, which was given to them yesterday. May we ask Mr. Villangca? I think Roger deserves a round of applause. And another second place out of 45 contestants, sports writing in English. We have Cesar Julius Forlales. May we ask Mommy to lay also the medal? And the brother Earl Forlales is the photographer. Congratulations. Okay. And the third place, again, out of 45 contestants, we have Nicholas Alpray, the news writing in English. Congratulations, Mom. And the 9th place, feature writing in Filipino, we have Godwin Manalo, a grade 5 BPC. So these three will join the division, a region I should say. This was a division, now they're going for the region. So regional contest this October. So congratulations. May I ask also our other contestants who represented grade school, St. Paul's, Ray Angelo Androsa. Is she there or here? Okay. May we ask him also to go up stage? Sport